The allure of scent. Why journal? Fragrances are powerful. They evoke memories. They influence emotions. They even define our presence. A perfume journal helps you explore this fascinating world. It's a personal record of your scent discoveries. Think of it as your fragrant autobiography. Imagine this: you smell a perfume on a friend. It's divine. But how do you describe it? A perfume journal helps you pinpoint the notes. You can recall what you loved or didn't. This makes future perfume choices easier and more enjoyable. Imagine revisiting the scent you wore on your first date, or the comforting aroma that reminds you of home. Ready to embark on this fragrant adventure? Let's delve into the essentials of creating a perfume journal that's uniquely yours. Get ready to explore the captivating world of scent in a whole new way. Embarking on your scent journey, the first whiff. So, you're ready to begin your perfume journaling adventure? Wonderful! Let's talk about that exciting first step, encountering a new fragrance. This is where the magic begins. It's all about experiencing the scent with all your senses. When you first encounter a new perfume, take a moment. Spray it on a blotter strip. Now wave it gently under your nose. Close your eyes. What do you smell? Is it citrusy, floral, or maybe something spicy? Jot down your initial impressions. Don't stop there. See if you can pick out individual notes. Is there a hint of rose? Perhaps a touch of vanilla? Don't worry if you can't identify everything at first. The more you practice, the better you'll become at deciphering those complex layers. This is the beginning of your unique scent story. Deconstructing the aroma. A symphony of notes. Perfumes are like beautiful symphonies. They're composed of different notes that blend to create a harmonious whole. Understanding these notes is key to unlocking the secrets of a fragrance. It's like learning a new language. Typically, perfumes are structured with top, middle, and base notes. Each layer unfolds over time, revealing new facets of the scent. Think of it as a fragrant journey for your senses. Top notes are the first impression. They're light and evaporate quickly. Think citrus, fruity, or green scents. The middle notes are the heart of the fragrance. They're more rounded and last longer. Floral, spicy, or woody notes often reside here. Finally, base notes are the foundation. They linger the longest, providing depth and richness. As you sniff and explore, try to identify these different notes. Your journal becomes a record of your discoveries. Occasion and emotion, the when and the why. Perfume isn't just about the scent. It's about how it makes you feel. It's about the memories it evokes. That's why it's important to note the occasions and emotions associated with each fragrance in your journal. Think about it. A light floral perfume might be perfect for a spring picnic. But a musky, oriental scent could be your go-to for a romantic evening. The right perfume can enhance your mood and make any occasion even more special. Beyond specific events, consider how a perfume makes you feel. Does it boost your confidence? Does it evoke a sense of calm? These emotional connections are just as important as the scent itself. Don't forget to jot down any compliments you receive while wearing a particular fragrance. Embrace the emotional connection you have with each scent and let it guide your journaling process. Your personal perfume lexicon. Developing a scent vocabulary. As you delve deeper into the world of perfume, you'll encounter a whole new vocabulary. Don't be intimidated. Think of it as learning a new language, the language of scent. Building a scent vocabulary enhances your appreciation and understanding of fragrances. Start by familiarizing yourself with common perfume terms. Words like citrusy, floral, woody, and spicy provide a basic framework for describing scents. Look for these descriptors on perfume bottles or online reviews. Use metaphors and similes to paint a vivid picture of the scent. Does it remind you of a summer garden in full bloom? Or perhaps a warm, comforting cup of tea on a rainy day? Your journal will transform into a testament to your evolving scent expertise. Simply focus on capturing the essence of the scent in a way that resonates with you. The power of association scent memories. Have you ever noticed how a familiar scent can transport you back in time? It's like a time machine for your senses. This is the magic of scent memory. Our brains are wired to connect smells with specific experiences, emotions, and even people. Think about the smell of freshly baked cookies. It might remind you of your childhood kitchen, filled with warmth and love. Or perhaps the scent of salty air and sunscreen instantly takes you back to a carefree beach vacation. In your perfume journal, dedicate a section to scent memories. Jot down any specific scents that trigger vivid recollections. Describe the memory in detail. These scent memories add a deeply personal touch to your journal. Capture it in your journal and relive those precious moments again and again. Digital or physical? Choosing your perfect journal. Now that you know what to include, it's time to choose the perfect format for your perfume journal. Will it be a sleek digital app or a charming handwritten notebook? The choice is entirely yours. Both options have their own unique advantages. Digital journals offer convenience and a wealth of features. Numerous apps and websites are specifically designed for logging and reviewing perfumes. You can easily search for specific scents, create virtual shelves, and even connect with fellow perfume lovers online. On the other hand, physical journals provide a tactile and personal experience. The act of physically writing down your thoughts and feelings can be incredibly therapeutic and rewarding. Plus, you can customize your journal with photos, sketches, and other mementos. Ultimately, the best format is the one that you'll use consistently. Choose the format that speaks to you and makes the journaling process enjoyable. Digital delights apps and websites for scent exploration. If you're tech-savvy and appreciate convenience, a digital perfume journal might be your perfect match. Numerous apps and websites are designed to elevate your scent exploration. Let's explore some popular options. Fragrantica is a comprehensive online encyclopedia of perfumes. Think of it as Wikipedia for fragrances. You can search for specific perfumes, read reviews, explore scent notes, and even connect with other perfume enthusiasts. Another popular option is the Scentbird app. It not only lets you track your perfume collection, but also offers personalized recommendations based on your scent preferences. Plus, you can try out different fragrances through their monthly subscription service. For a more visual approach, check out Base Notes. This website features a unique fragrance wheel that helps you visualize scent families and discover new perfumes based on your favorite notes. With digital journals, the possibilities for scent exploration are endless. The allure of analog, the charm of physical journals. In a world dominated by screens, there's something undeniably charming about putting pen to paper. Physical perfume journals offer a tactile and personal experience that digital platforms simply can't replicate. Imagine the satisfaction of carefully selecting a beautiful notebook, one that speaks to your personal style. The feel of smooth, high-quality paper beneath your fingertips as you jot down your scent impressions is a sensory delight in itself. Physical journals offer endless possibilities for customization. Unleash your creativity. Paste in samples of your favorite perfumes, add sketches of perfume bottles, or even create collages that represent the scents. Moreover, a handwritten journal becomes a treasured keepsake. Years down the line, imagine revisiting your journal entries, filled with your unique handwriting and personal touches. Embrace the charm of analog and create a scent diary as unique as you are. Making it your own. Personalizing your perfume odyssey. No matter which format you choose, remember that your perfume journal is a reflection of your unique personality and style. Don't be afraid to personalize it. Let your creativity shine through and transform it into a cherished keepsake. Get artsy. Use colorful pens, washi tape, and stickers to decorate your journal. Create themed pages for different scent families like florals, orientals, or citrus scents. Add sketches of perfume bottles or flowers that represent the fragrances. Incorporate other sensory elements. Paste in fabric swatches that evoke the textures of certain scents. The possibilities are endless. Most importantly, make it a habit to update your journal regularly. So grab your favorite pen and embark on your personalized perfume odyssey today. Time to explore unleashing your inner perfume connoisseur. Congratulations! You're now well equipped to create a perfume journal that's as unique and captivating as your scent preferences. Remember, the most important thing is to approach this fragrant adventure with curiosity, an open mind, and a desire to explore. There's no right or wrong way to do it. The key is to find a method that resonates with you and sparks joy. So embrace the journey, trust your senses, and unleash your inner perfume connoisseur. Happy sniffing! If you found this guide useful, be sure to check out my other videos on perfume tips and tricks, and let me know in the comments about your favorite fragrance.